This is to everybody that can see this video. I'm out of town right now. I'm down. This is to the people that are making comments of the last race that Belladonna was in. It wasn't a race, as I stated on the comment page. But I'm hearing all these words and all the conversation about the race. It wasn't a race. But I'm hearing numbers being thrown out, 938s, that a particular black car supposed to be ran. And why I didn't get upside it. Well, this is to who this may concern. It'll cost you. It's going to cost you. As I stated, it wasn't a race. We were testing. We just so happened to get up beside this particular car. Y'all want to talk? This is from the owner of Belladonna. Let me know. I can get her to the track and we can handle this. We can stop all this backbiting. I don't give a damn about a 938 that you supposed to be ran. If you ran it, bag it up. I don't care about your 938 that you supposedly ran. You want to get personal? We can get personal. We're going to settle at the track. And I'm going to laugh and talk afterwards. Win, lose, or draw. But anytime you feel like you want something Belladonna, you know where it's at, but it's going to cost you. Thank you. I'm through with that.